Google has made some changes to how the search bar looks, even just from last year. So let's take a look at some of those changes with an example. And recently I had someone ask me about how you could remove location names from Google Maps. So if I type in my search Google Maps, remove location names, I'll get my hits that occur. Now, one thing that I'm seeing is that a lot of these hits, this one right here from 2011, 2012, I happen to know for a fact that Google Maps has changed recently several times. So they've made a lot of updates to Google Maps. So this information here is outdated. So one thing I can do is up here up above, you are able to filter between maps, images, news. I'm going to go over here to search tools. And when I click on search tools, I get some other choices here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this anytime filter. And I'm going to say that I want to look for something that's within the past month, to see if it'll allow me to find some information regarding removing place names from Google Maps. And this is where I get some info about Google Maps changing to something being called My Maps, and I can use that to really filter things down. Now, another change that we can do with search is some other ways to filter. So let's go with like a science example. And if I was doing something on mitochondria of the cell. And one of the things that I can do with that search tool is you can go in here to the all results. You can select reading level. It'll give you three choices: basic, intermediate, or advanced. So if I select the intermediate level, I'm going to get some sites like Biology for Kids, Chalk Talk, what are mitochondria? So some things that might be a little bit easier for students, depending on the grade level, to understand. We're here in the advanced. I'm getting into a Nature article, and I can see right there from the snippet quite a few words with a lot of syllables on it. If I'm talking about 5th or 6th graders taking a look at stuff about mitochondria, that may not be a good fit. So I might need to look at the intermediate or the basic. Just a word of caution, when you do go to the basic, depending on what it is that you're doing, you're going to find links that then come more to things like blogs and possibly Facebook pages, videos, because it's just the description of the video. But remember, at school, that video is not going to play for the students.